Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. Welcome back once again to the Making Maths class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. What do we have today? Come along, let's see. Converting decimals to fractions. How do we do that? These are decimal numbers. Now, the first thing to do for the first one, 0.4, how many places to the right is this decimal place? This is one place to the right. That means this 4 is the 10th part. This is the 10th. Now, the first thing you will do, divide by 1, multiply the numerator and the denominator by 10. Because this is the 10th part. So 0.4 times 10 will be 4. 1 times 10 is 10. Now, you can decide to break down this fraction because this is not a fraction in its simplest 10. What can divide 4 and 10? 2 can go. 2 in 4 will give us 2. 2 in 10, we have 5. So the final answer is 2 over 5. Let's look at the second one. The second one says 0.36. Now, how many places? This is 2 decimal places. That means the last number here, this is the what? The 100th. So we divide by 1, multiply both sides by 100 over 100. So this becomes 0.36 times 100, that's 36, over 1 times 100, that's 100. Something can go, 4 can divide 36 and 100. 4 in 36 will give us 9. 4 in 100 will give us 25. Let's look at the third one. This is 3.75. This one is similar to this. The only difference is that in this whole number part, there is a whole number here. For this is 0. For this is 3. So the same thing. The decimal is 2 places to the after the decimal point. That's also 100. So we divide by 1, multiply by 100 over 100. So this becomes 3.75 times 100. That's 375 over 100. Now, something can divide. Anytime a number ends with 0 or 5, 5 can divide. So let's use 5. 5 here, 5 in 35, that's 7. Remainder 2. 5 in 25, that's 5. So this is 75 over 5 in 100, that's 5 in 10, that's 2. 5 in 0, that's 20. Now, it still ends with 5 and 0. So something can still divide, which is 5. So we break it down here, 75 over 20. If 5 goes here, 5 will divide this to give us 4. 5 in 7, that's 1, remainder 2. 5 in 25, that's 5. So this is 15 over 4. So that's the final answer, 15 over 4. If you like, you can put it as a mixed number. How many 4 will you see here? That's 3. So you have 3 whole number. Remainder 15 minus 12, that's 3 over 4. This is it as a mixed number. Let's look at the last one. 0.284 over 1 times, how many places after the decimal point? That's 3 places. So that's times 1,000 over 1,000. That's the 1,000 part. So when we multiply it, 0.284 times 1,000, that will give us 284. 284 over 1,000. Now, anytime any number ends with even number, 2 can divide that number. So let's use 2. 2 here, 1. 2 in 8 will give us 4. 2 in 4 will give us 2. So this is 142. Let's divide the denominator. 2 in 10, that's 5. 2 here, 0, 0. That's 500. Now see again. 2 and 0 are even numbers. Anytime any number ends with an even number of 0, 2 can divide. So we can still use it. 2 here in 14, that will give us 7. 2 in 1, that's 1. 2 in 500, that's 250. There's no other number that can divide 71 and 250. So we end or stop there. So that's how to convert decimals to fraction. All right, before we go, let's see. You can take on fun. Try it out at your leisure time. Convert those following numbers to fractions. 0.3. The second one, you can have something like 5.375. The third one, you can have 1.24. The fourth one, you can have something like 3.82. Okay, so practice this. Those 4 questions as our take home fun, just like in our usual style: 0.3, 5.375, 1.24, 3.87. Do let me know the answers in the comment section. If you enjoyed what we did today, give us a like. Share the video, tell your friends that this is a place to be, a happening place for mathematics. Tell them about the Making Master, share the videos. If you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Most importantly, turn on the notification bell so you will not miss out on wonderful content on the channel. And if there's any aspect of mathematics you are struggling with, put it in the comment section. I'll be there to attend to you. Also, let me know the answers in the comment section. Till we meet again, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.